If you already uploaded a video and the video is public and you want to set it as private, then go on your YouTube mobile app on your phone, then click on your profile picture, then go to your channel, then click on manage videos. Then I'll pick one of my video that is public. This is public. So click on the three dots in front of it. Then click edit video. And as you can see here, it says public. Click on that. Then you click on private. Then you go back and click save. The video will be set to private. But I'm not saving this video. I'm just using it for the tutorial. So that is how you change a video either from public to private or from private to public if you want to put it in public. So that's how you go about it. Hope you find the video useful. And if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep updated with me. See you in my next video. Bye.